Hey snack lovers, welcome to QuizEAD. You've got 5 seconds to guess each snack logo. Think you can beat the clock? Let's see what you've got. Can you recognize this crunchy brand? Lay's, the king of potato chips, is loved worldwide. Which brand stacks flavor in a tube? Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop. Guess this snack with a cheesy crunch. Cheetos. Chester Cheetah's fiery favorite. Which brand brings you the boldest triangles? Doritos. Crunch that packs a punch. Can you name this wavy chip brand? Ruffles. Ridges make everything better. Which spicy rolled snack is this? Takis. The ultimate fire in your snack bowl. Guess the brand famous for cone-shaped crisps. Bugles. Tiny trumpets of fun and crunch. Which snack brand makes your movie nights perfect? Tostitos. Best paired with salsa and good vibes. Recognize this multigrain chip brand? Sun Chips. Crunchy, wavy, and full of sunshine. Find the odd one out. Great! Guess this chocolate cookie brand. Oreo. Twist, lick, and dunk your favorite cookie. Can you name this chip mix master? Chex Mix, the ultimate party snack combo. Which cookie brand says ahoy to chocolate chips? Chips Ahoy! Every bite is a choco adventure. Bought this buttery peanut cookie brand. Nutter Butter. Peanut butter lover's paradise. Can you name this biscuit loved with coffee? Lotus Biscoff. Europe's caramelized classic. Guess this Australian favorite snack. Tim Tam. Crunch, cream, and chocolate perfection. Which chocolate-covered stick is this? Pocky. Japan's sweetest snack on a stick. Recognize this bear-shaped chocolate biscuit? Hello Panda. Bite-sized fun from Meiji. Can you identify this world-famous candy brand? M&M's. Melts in your mouth, not in your hand. Would you rather snack on a chocolate bar, potato chips, or cookies? Sweet, salty, or crunchy, which one wins your heart? Which chocolate has crispy wafers inside? KitKat. Have a break, have a KitKat. Guess this twin bar with caramel layers. Twix. 2 sides, 1 delicious decision. Which brand is famous for creamy peanut butter cups? Reese's. Perfect mix of chocolate and peanut butter. Can you name this smooth chocolate brand? Hershey's. The heart of American chocolate. Guess this fruity rainbow candy brand. Skittles. They taste the rainbow every time. Which candy brand loves to go sour? Sour Patch Kids. Sour, sweet, and always fun. Recognize this bear candy brand? Haribo. Kids and grown-ups love it so. Which bar is a crunchy peanut lover's dream? Butterfinger. Crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery. Can you name this colorful, chewy candy brand? And the Starburst. Bursting with fruit flavor. Can you guess the snack? Yes, it's Cheetos. Guess the bar that's all about caramel and nuts. Oh, Snickers. You're not you when you're hungry. Recognize this chocolate brand shaped like a triangle? Toblerone. Swiss peaks of honey and almond joy. Can you identify this golden fish-shaped snack? Goldfish. The snack that smiles back. Guess this buttery cracker brand. Ritz. Golden, crispy, and oh so smooth. Can you identify this bar from the Milky Way galaxy? Mars. Out of this world sweetness. Guess this flaky chocolate brand from the UK. Galaxy. Silky smooth chocolate luxury. Guess this chocolate with a caramel twist. The Three Musketeers. Light, fluffy, and delicious. Guess this premium chocolate with a golden wrap. Ferrero Rocher. Elegance wrapped in gold. Which chocolate bar is filled with a bubbly texture? Aero. Feel the bubbles melt in your mouth. Would you rather eat pizza, hot dog, or burger for life? Tough choice, but your taste buds can only pick one. Which cookie brand has elves baking magic? Keebler. Made in the hollow tree of happiness. Guess this caramel-filled chocolate bar. Perk. Crunchy wafer, smooth chocolate. Can you recognize this popcorn snack brand? Smart Food. There's white cheddar goodness in every bite. Guess this sweet and crunchy bar brand. Kin Bar. Snack nicely, live kindly. Which candy brand rolls out chewy fruit fun? Fruit roll-ups. Play, peel, and snack. Can you name this salty snack brand from Frito-Lay? Fritos. Corn chips that bring the crunch. Guess this family favorite chocolate brand. Dairy Milk. Your real taste of happiness. Which Indian chocolate melts hearts? Five Star. Gooey caramel meets creamy chocolate. Which brand makes breakfast pastries pop? Pop-Tarts. Frosted fun you can toast or eat cold. Guess this beloved American candy mix. Nerds. Tiny, tangy, and totally fun. How many snacks did you guess right? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun challenges.